Hi, it's another great day in Coto de Caza. I'm on the 6th green of our south golf course, and across the cart path we have another one of our Cistus varieties. This is Cistus purpureus. Okay, he's also known as an Orchid Rock Rose. Okay, because his flower, very orchid-like colors on the petals. How about that? Anyway, this is one of the most common Cistus rock rose plants. It's considered a medium to large size mounding shrub. Grows about 3 to 5 feet tall and sometimes 5 to 8 feet wide. It's a super tough plant, provide handsome foliage, these bold flowers during springtime. You can prune it and shape it into uniform shapes or even grow it like a hedge. You see a lot of these on slopes and banks, background areas for simple hedges or borders. It's super well adapted for full sun, low summer moisture, and a complete variety of soil conditions. All right, so let's take a look at the flowers here. We'll get a good one. Here we go. All right, so the flowers here, they bloom in spring, but they continue through summer. Okay, they're about 2 to 3 inches in diameter. They've got this super deep orchid color, and that's why they call it an Orchid Rock Rose. It's got this bright yellow center, and that's got the stamens, the anthers, and the pollen. And it's got these very distinct little crimson purple dots at the base of each petal. And that's how you know it's an Orchid Rock Rose instead of a different purple variety. Here's another one here. All right, and there's 5 petals on each flower. Okay, now these flowers, they only live for 1 day. They open up in the morning, and then they die by the end of the afternoon. But they're backed up in succession by tons and tons of these new flowers, or flower buds, as you can see, that are coming in. Now, some of these buds may look like they're going to bloom, but they'll lay dormant for a few days, and then they'll one day they'll pop up. And these flowers, at the end of the day, they'll kind of curl up and they'll drop their petals. These petals on the ground here. Okay. All right. So we got some more over here. We'll take a look at. Next to our white rock rose, or the Salvia cistus. Okay, so the leaves here, all right, they're long, they're lance-shaped, more than other cistus varieties. They're dark green on the top, and they're pale green here on the bottom. Okay, and the leaves here, they provide a dry, woody smell that's been used in perfumes for many, many centuries. And you propagate this plant by layering. By layering, what I mean is you can take a stem, you can bury it underground, and then it will reroot, and then you can pull it up as a new plant. Or you can simply use cuttings, and use a cutting from a non-flowering stem, maybe a younger one, like here. Okay, you go about 6 or 7 inches back, you peel off the bottom leaves, you dip it in some root hormone, you can plant it directly in soil. And it should do fine. How about that? This is our Cistus purpureus, or the Orchid Rock Rose. Real easy to grow. It's a nice, pretty blooming plant for springtime. It's evergreen as well, so you get this color all year round. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and please have a great day. Bye.